pronunciation of the sound h improved. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share it with somebody. Subscribe if you want to see more, but do press the black bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos. Thank you again. The sound H and CH is pronounced in the same way. The sound H and CH is soundless. Do you remember when you were a child? You were outside in the cold winter's day. There you tried to blow the air by saying so the steam was coming out from your mouth. This is how the sound is formed. Now you are the expert, so repeat after me. Repeat after me. Ah, eh, oh, ooh, eh. And again. Ah, eh, oh, ooh, eh. Well done. Ha, he, ho, hu, he. Once more. Ha, he, ho, hu, he. Please repeat after me. Dach, mech, pech. And again. Dach, mech, pech. Well done. Please repeat after me. Chleb, chata, chiny. And again. Chleb, chata, chiny. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia. How did you do it?